Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and connectivity. Open the Google Home app. Sign in with the Google account linked to the home device. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on, because the app discovers devices that way. Once done, tap the device tile that represents your speaker or display and look for the settings gear icon. Don't skip enabling location and Bluetooth. They speed discovery and reduce errors when you proceed to account and network settings. You now move into the security flow to change your Google password. From the device settings, tap the linked account and then choose to manage your Google account. Navigate to security, then to password under signing into Google. You'll be asked to verify, either retype your current password or approve via two-factor authentication. After verification, type a new strong password, confirm it, and save. Make sure to use a unique passphrase and store it in a password manager so devices reconnect smoothly afterward. Finish by reconnecting everything with the new password. Sign back into the Google Home app and reauthorize any linked services like music or smart home accounts. This ensures routines and devices resume working. If a device fails to reconnect, restart the Google Home unit and your router, then open the app again to detect it. If you get locked out, use Google's account recovery or your 2FA backup codes. Make sure you update stored passwords in any password manager so future sign-ins are seamless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.